Hello, this is Alex at HauntPay, and this is video number 4 in our Getting Started with HauntPay series. And this video is all about adding products. So this can be merchandise, this could be concessions, and adding these as kind of an add-on item for when people are purchasing tickets online, or as something that you can sell in person at your actual event. So to get going, let's head over to HauntPay and go to the admin section. If you're not logged in already, make sure you're logged in. Otherwise, just hit account and then admin. So from here, you've probably noticed there's a products tab up here. This is your time. Go ahead and click it. As you notice, we've got no products set up. That's not a problem. We can go ahead and add one at any time here. For my first product, I'm just going to let people, potentially buy a t-shirt in the middle of their checkout. So they can buy a ticket, and if they're big fans, they'll maybe purchase that t-shirt afterwards. So I'm going to call this t-shirt, and I'm going to make 100 of them available. Perhaps I've got, some inventory constraints. I've only got 100 of them around or something like that. I'll put $25 as the price and say this is the coolest t-shirt you'll ever see. All right, so tax rate, if you have a tax on tangible goods, this would be where to put that. So as you notice, there's a little explainer at the top here. 6.0 is actually going to be equal to 6% here. It's not 0.06 like you'd normally think. So that's a good, tip to remember. So we do have a 6% sales tax in Michigan, so I'm going to throw that in. And then you select the events that this will be applicable to. I'm going to say the Abyss and, the Scare Factory, because we just made that one in the previous videos here. So now we have the option to add in some images. If you want to show people what they're purchasing, this is where to do that. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that happens. I'm going to add a couple images that I put together. I'll pick that one up, and maybe I'll throw in a second one as well. Now these are just 2 images that I'm pulling off of my hard drive. You can get them from wherever you like. And you can also add in variants. So for a t-shirt, I actually do have some variants. This would just be different options for the product that you're making for sale. And you can make those different quantities and prices available for those variants. I'm going to say, we want, a small. I'm going to make that $20 and 100 of those available. If we need to add more, we can click Add Product Variant, and then call this one a medium. And we'll make it the same price, $20 and 100 available. And a large, also $20 and 100 available. And I'm just going to click Create Product real fast. This will upload my images. It's going to save all of my settings here. Since you're uploading images, it might take a little bit longer, but there you see it. Both of my images have been uploaded, and we've got small, medium, and large, and we're good to go. So now I'm going to zoom back to my product page, my event page. I'll click Events. I'll click on the Scare Factory. And this is, again, how the purchase process would look for a customer. So as a customer, I'm going to pick Buy Tickets here. I'll choose my ticket type, click Purchase, and there it is. As soon as I choose my ticket type and go to the next page, it shows me my products there. There's the t-shirt ready to purchase. It's got my description. It's got a little slideshow showing me, the 2 variant images here, and then my options. I'll choose a medium one. I want one of those. I'll click Add to Cart. You notice my cart is blinking over here because it got updated, and I can go ahead and click Checkout now. All right, so on my checkout, I've got my general ticket there, my t-shirt, and the promo codes and discounts that we've created in the other section, other videos as well. And I can click Purchase. And ta-da, purchase successful. As noted here, I've got 1 ticket and 1 t-shirt that I just purchased. So that's how you go about adding products and making those available to your customers. Hopefully, you can get even more revenue upfront before the actual event occurs. And stay tuned for the next video in the HauntPay Getting Started series, which will be video number 5, how to use your reporting. Thanks again and happy haunting.